Get down and dirty. Get down and dirty.
Quezon, Selga Atas 23, Mutia Ti La Richie Luis to Diana Nage 22, Mutia Ti Luna. Teresha Elaine to Balagundran 22, Mutia Ti Nagilya. Lyra May Apilado Carino 19, Mutia Ti Burgos.
Francesca Bernice Madriaga Fontanos, 21, Mutia Ti Pugo!
Evelyn Sibayan 20, Mutia Ti Baguli. Priyanka Elena Lorena Goswami 18, Mutia Ti San Juan. Micaela Aliada Fernandez 22, Mutia Ti Bangar. Altair Ruela July
welcome your hosts for the evening, model, news anchor, and crowned Binibining Pilipinas Intercontinental 2019, Emma Tiglao. Host, model, and Miss Grand International 2016 first runner-up, Nicole Cordobes.
Mabuhay La Union! Nahibag arabing ka na kayo amin! Mga kaprobinsyanihan, I have a question for you. Are you ready to witness the rise of the empowered Ilocanas tonight? Yes! There you have it. Join us as we pay tribute to the contributions of women from every sector of La Union. Prepare to be dazzled by the stunning beauty, inspired by the stories, and empowered by the advocacies of these incredible women vying for the most coveted title of Mutia Ti La Union 2024.
We honor the strength, intelligence, and unwavering ambition of these aspiring queens who are ready to make their mark on the world. The stakes are high, the competition is fierce, and the journey to the crown is about to begin.
Yes, that is correct, Emma. Tumpak talaga lahat ng sinabi mo. Pero hindi lang yon, because we are gathered here tonight not just to witness the beauty and grace of these ladies, but to celebrate the very essence of the women of La Union that we are truly championing on this very stage. And I say this because, you know, we did some research upon arriving. Chika-chika tayo na
yes.
paano ba nakarating ang La Union to the prominence that it stands on today. And I heard that before Governor Rafi, di ba, there was her father then, na si Governor Pacoy. And he made it a point to revamp, reorganize, and revamp and rebrand the province. And it took hundreds of LU women who are mothers, teachers, LGU, barangay workers who contributed to the positive changes in La Union. And iba talaga ang gobyerno who really recognize and acknowledge the movement of the women towards the journey of the progress of this city and the roles they have assumed.
Yes, it's about unity, diba? And decades after that, look at La Union with the vigor, talent, and outpouring love of their current governor, Governor Rafi Ortega David. LU became a thriving agricultural and industrialized province, and of course, ano pa ba? A world-renowned surfing capital and agritourism hub in the northern Philippines, or should I say in the world?
Or the universe rather,
Oh.
diba? Kasi syempre kung may hugot tayo, saan tayo agad magdadrive? To La Union,
Doon nandun na
diba?
agad LU, kaya diba
Yes.
see you LU? So to our empowered women of La Union, give yourselves a resounding round of applause. Kayo po ang mga kababaihan ng La Union ang naging partner at tumulong po sa ating mga leader para sumikat at makilala ang probinsya ng La Union, the vessels of strength and empowerment.
At syempre, di ba, parang naisip ko kanina nung pinapakinggan ko yung speech ni Gov. Rafi, parang it was long overdue for a female leader, di ba, for La Union. Pero nakita naman natin what it's like to really be led by an empowered woman. She's pregnant, she's governing, and she will be dancing.
She's
diba?
everything.
She's everything. There is nothing women cannot do. That is why we are dedicating this night for you as we mark the 174th founding anniversary of our province and celebrate the colorful Ayat Fest 2024. The Mutia Ti La Union takes on a very, very special significance.
But the celebration doesn't stop here at Poro Point Bay Walk. Our kaprobinsyanians can join us digitally. Hello, Team Bahay and Team Online!
Hello, Team Online!
Because we are live streaming this event to the world. Share your thoughts, your cheers, and your support using the hashtags Hashtag Mutia Ti La Union 2024. Hashtag MLU 2024. Hashtag Empower La Union. Hashtag AyatFest 2024. Hashtag La Union Provincianian. And hashtag Love La Union. Let's show the world the true meaning of Ilocana strength and solidarity.
Yeah, so we can't wait to see your posts about this event. And may special prize ba pagka nakuha nila lahat ng hashtag?
Yan ang
Dami mo
itatanong
sinabi dun,
natin kay Gov. Rafi.
Feeling ko may special greeting from Emma Mary Tiglao.
And Nicole Cordoves.
Trata na lang natin, di ba?
Dalawa agad.
So marami po tayong kaabang-abang na exciting parts for tonight. So stay on your seats at huwag na huwag niyong palalagpasin ng handog na Provincial Government of La Union sa bawat kababaihan, sa bawat bayan ng lalawigan, at sa bawat kaprobinsyanihan. We'll be having stunning performances, impactful messages that will truly touch your hearts, and heart-stopping coronation, syempre, ng ating next Mutia Ti La Union.
But before we embark on this journey, let us meet another empowered Filipino who will capture the emotions of the night and engage with our supportive kaprobinsyanians, the heart and soul of our audience interaction. Sino pa ba? Ay, nagsisigawan na banda doon, ha? Our Miss Universe Philippines 2014, MJ Lastimoso!
Ay! Mag-ingay! Grabe yung mga mare ko dito. Kanina pa kami nagchichismisan. Eto, ang galing ko na mag-Ilocano, may sasabihin ako, Agyamanak Nicole and Emma! Galing ko ba?
Hi,
Ang
Mars!
galing! Alam niyo ba yung ibig sabihin nun? Hindi ko alam.
Ano, Mare?
Ang ibig sabihin nun ay thank you. Tama ba? Tama po ba? Tama. Okay, +1 ako doon. At meron pang isang magandang word na salitang Ilocano na tutunan ko ngayon. Ito ay ang Diyos ti Agnina. Tama po ba, nanay?
Tama-tama.
Correct! Ay, galing ko na. Iba talaga mga kumare ko dito na ang literal translation ay God will return the favor. Ganyan po ang mga taga-La Union, generous in sharing positive vibes, generous in sharing their homes, their food as well, and the knowledge and traditions. Kaya Emma and Nicole, mukhang hindi naman ang totoo ang check ng mga Marites na kuripot daw ang mga Ilocano.
Hindi ako naniniwala.
O,
Hindi
pangutang
naman.
ka.
Parang di naman.
Sabi ko, utang, tinalikuran ako. Okay, back to you mga mare.
Parang hindi naman kuripot. Ito pa lang, di ba? Empowering the
Yes.
women pa lang. Talagang pinaghandaan
Oo.
na.
And I don't believe na parang kuripot is the right word. Siguro, mas logical lang or reasonable yung
Tama.
paggastos. Diba? Kasi yung mga babae din talaga magaling sa finances.
Siyempre,
yan,
lalo na
diba?
mga mommy.
Oo, mga nagpa-budget sa mga household natin.
Kailangan marunong mag-budget. Lalong-lalo na yung mga women of La Union kasi nagsishare sila ng good vibes, values, and traditions that enriches us more as a person and as a community. And the women of La Union are quite known for promoting that to their children. Nakausap ko nga agad-agad, di ba? Ang mga kababaihan dito.
Ang dami mo ng chinika
Oo.
before pa tayo
Kung si
tumuntong
Maring
dito.
MJ nakachikan, ako din nakachikan na rin agad-agad. And eto ha, ang chika, they're big on tough love.
Tough love.
Tough love.
Okay. Oh, so I wonder what that could mean. Ano ba yung definition nila of tough love here in La Union? Pero yung narinig ko naman, Emma, no, was La Union's brand of love is unity and their resilience is legendary. Parang kanina pa lang sa na-mention natin, di ba, saan pa lang nanggaling yung La Union, it was built out of nothing. Pero because of its people, nagsama-sama tayo, we made sure that La Union becomes something. At kahit ano pang challenge ang dumating, they will always rise to be the heart of agritourism in Northern Luzon, the surfing capital of the North, and a top destination as well for people who want to live, invest, and retire. That sounds like a good plan. And of course, ang favorite vacation spot ng mga turista at travelers gaya natin or parang kami nila MJ, mga weekenders dito sa La Union.
Pupunta agad sa LU.
Yes.
Magdadrive agad. So for those of you who want to be empowered, stay tuned. Watch and learn as we celebrate Empower Her only here at the Coronation Night of
Mutia Ti La Union 2024!
Let me hear
moment all are made.
Ayan ang patunay talaga na mahal kayo ni Gov Rafi dahil lahat ginawa na niya. Di ba?
Kahit
Pati ang
prank,
pagsasayaw.
di napasayaw.
Yeah! Congratulations! Naitawid natin, Gov Rafi. You look fabulous doing it as well. Let's give her a big round of applause, everyone. That's so